CallPilot desktop messaging works with most email packages. Desktop messaging allows access to CallPilot messages and email messages from a unified interface. The unified messaging has several CallPilot feature enhancements. What are two of these enhancements? Choose two. Option A, Call Directory. Option B, Faxback feature. Option C, Instant Messaging integration. Option D, Creating personal distribution lists. The correct answer is option A, C. My CallPilot can be used to perform any tasks via the web. Which three choices are available from my CallPilot? Choose 3. Option A, Administer CallPilot system. Option B, Configure personal greetings. Option C, View, send, and forward video files. Option D, Configure the message forwarding rule. Option E, Send, forward, receive, and reply to email messages. The correct answer is option B, D, E. The CallPilot release introduced the high-capacity feature. This system uses the RP server. The high-capacity feature expands the channel capacity of the CallPilot system. What is the capacity now available? Option A, 96 channels and 96 MPUs. Option B, 96 channels and 192 MPUs. Option C, 192 channels and 288 MPUs. Option D, 192 channels and 192 MPUs. The correct answer is option C. A CallPilot customer site will be using multimedia messaging. The switch will need a specific kind of configuration for this messaging service. What is the required configuration? Option A, Regular DN. Option B, Phantom DN. Option C, Control DN, CDN. Option D, ACDDN Dummy Queue. The correct answer is option C,